Morning children. Today we are going to discuss the topic drainage for class 9th geography. So what is meant by drainage? So drainage, here the term defined. Drainage is the term defined as that signifying the river system of an area. We can note some other meaning for drainage, like a dirty water flow nearby the houses is also called as a drainage. But here the term signifying the river system of an area. So this time we are going to discuss, and that important keywords: river basin, water divide. So these two are important keywords in this lesson. You can use that. What is river basin? River basin is an area which is drained by a single river system. It's called as a river basin. And water divide. So what is water divide? We can see, if it is that river, this is the river, and at the same time the river was divided by a small land area. So this is a land area. You can see here, I'm shading here, you can look at it. I'm shading this place. Is that upland? Above the land, it's called as a upland. It's divide that river into two, which is next to each other. This is called as a water divide. So this upland divide the river, the two drainage system which is next to each other is called as a water divide. So this is that water divide. And in this lesson we are going to discuss two types of river system. One is the Himalayan rivers and the second one is the peninsular river. So both are important river system in our country. First thing, Himalayan rivers. So what is Himalayan rivers? Himalayan rivers is a permanent river and it belongs to both rain-fed and snow-fed. Why it is called as a permanent river? Throughout the year, the water flows in that river because of the Himalayan mountain. So we know that Himalayan rivers, mountains, it's full of snow. Daily it melting in the sunlight and it gives water to this river. For that reason it's called as a permanent river, or it's a perennial river. So because of that it is used for navigable. We can use this river to transfer one place to another place. For that reason it's called as a navigable river. And what are the things it creates? The Himalayan rivers creates meanders, that is a thin layer, thin area, narrow area, and oxbow. What is called as oxbow? Here you can see that oxbow, if the river is flowing here, so this is, see, like this, some place it will turn and make some curves. So here this area are joined and it creates the lake. So this is called as a oxbow lake. And then depositional. So we know that every words made a deposition nearby the rivers. It's called as a delta river, delta area. So here also depositionals, because it's a mountain, so flowing the wastage and everything is flowing and deposited in that river bank, and that area is called as a delta area. And then second river is that a peninsular river. It is a seasonal river. Here we are telling the Himalayan river is a permanent river, and here the peninsular river is that seasonal river. Why it is a seasonal river? Because it mostly depending upon that rainfall. So when a rainy season, it will get the rain. Other days there is no water in that river, so it's a seasonal river, and it is not a permanent river. For that reason it is a non-navigable. We cannot use this river to transfer from one place to another place. And this river, most of the peninsular rivers originated in the Western Ghats. We know that what is Western Ghats, the western parts. So this is the Western Ghats, this is the Eastern Ghat. So this is the Western Ghats. It's originated in the Western Ghat and it's flow towards the Bay of Bengal. Here is the Bay of Bengal, here is that Indian Ocean, and is that Arabian Sea. So this is a part, even though it start from Western Ghats, it's flow towards the Bay of Bengal. So this is the end of the Peninsular River. Next class we are going to discuss the deep detail about that Himalayan rivers. What are the Himalayan rivers? There are three important Himalayan rivers and the tributaries, and that the peninsula. What are the peninsular rivers? So these things we are going to see in the next video. So keep on watching. Thank you.